Hey y'all, thank you for being here. Welcome to this Ain't Nobody Got Time for This Speed Cleaning Motivation. I thought about the title and I was like, that could sound two ways. Either I didn't have time, so I was speed cleaning, or y'all don't have time to watch this video. I hope it's the first one. But anyway, today I am cleaning my guest spaces. I was short on time, so I hope this gives you some super quick cleaning motivation. If you're brand new to my channel, first of all, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. I am in my guest bedroom. I usually just give it a light dusting because it doesn't get a lot of activity, but I did need to clean these blinds in this window. I will have some spring cleaning videos coming up that'll give you some deeper cleaning motivation, so make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you don't miss any of those.
And if you're
For those of you who keep coming back, thank you. I know I always say it, but I am just so grateful. I know that it takes time out of your day to spend your time with me, so I just always have to thank you so much. Thank you again if you're new. My name is Crystal. I live in North Carolina with my husband, and I enjoy posting cleaning, organizing, and some decorating content. If you're interested in what I've been using so far, it's just my eCloth dusting rag, my Jaws glass cleaner, and my shop towels on the window. And now I'm using the Caldrea countertop spray in the Tangelo Palm Frond scent with just a regular microfiber cloth.
I'm looking for a brand new start. I know I got some trouble getting over you. I think that I've played my part. I need to get away somewhere far from you. I'ma buy plane ticket, run away by myself for a minute. I don't have any limits. Ooh, ooh. I'm looking for a place where I can feel alive, where I can let you go and just be for a while. I got you on my mind like all the time. Now I'm about I hope I meet somebody who's better than you, that likes me for the things that I say and I do. Somebody who can help me make it through. Now I'm about
I'm gonna get this TV lightly dusted before I vacuum, and let me know in the comments, what are some of your favorite things to use when you don't have a lot of time and you're just doing a quick speed clean?
You said that I was not enough. You said you could do better than wasting time on me. And I admit it felt so tough, but baby, I guess this is how it's meant to be. I'ma buy plane ticket, run away to LA for a minute.
need to do something with this stuff on the floor, but I have a mirror that I need to hang up. I think it's gonna go in our hallway. This TV came out of our bedroom. It's a Samsung that we got from Costco, I know, but it had some kind of like dark spots on the display, so we replaced it, and now we're trying to decide if we want to put it in this guest bedroom because it's bigger, or if we want to get rid of it. And then this is a humidifier that I've never used, so I took it out to remind me, so that's why I'm vacuuming around all this stuff.
Whole new start. I'm gonna get away from it all. A whole new start. I'm gonna get away from it all. I'm a part-time ticket. Run away for a minute. There will be no limits.
I forgot to mention I was using the Jaws hardwood cleaner on the bed in the guest bedroom. Now I'm in the bathroom and I am using pretty much the same things to get it wiped down in here.
I hope I met somebody who's better than you. That likes me for the things that I say I do. Somebody who can help me make it through. Now I'm about play together.
Disinfecting wipes are usually my go-to for these quick cleanups, but I did need to really take care of the inside of the sink, so I am using soft scrub for that.
We both said some awful words, and I know that we both got hurt, but I wanna be with you.
I was gonna tell you guys, I asked about including a clip of everything in our house that came from Costco in an upcoming video, and y'all were all about it. I think it'll be fun too, so I will be doing that very soon as well. Now I need to take care of this mirror tray that I keep on the back of the toilet. It gets extra dusty because it's near the toilet paper holder, so it does need to be wiped down a lot. I don't practice what I preach. I have a lot of mirrored things in my house, but I don't recommend it just for this reason because it shows everything.
I wanna be with you. You know it is the truth. Don't run away. We can't let this go to waste. I don't want nobody else. Don't let this go to waste. Baby, you can stay that night. I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste. I just wanna let you know. I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste.
Now moving on to the toilet, I am going to use my disinfecting wipes for that, and this container was pretty much empty, so that's why I was wringing out a lot of the extra product. I'm going to wipe down the outside, and then I will be using my toilet wand on the inside.
Feels like we're fading out. I'm losing you. Can't we try again? Don't let this go to waste. Feels like we're fading out. I'm losing you. Oh, can't we try again? Don't let this go to waste. Don't let this go to waste.
Let me know if you guys are addicted to toilet wands the way I am, or are you old school and you like to use a traditional brush or something else.
Wanna feel you close to me. I hope that we can work it out. Wanna feel you close to me, wanna feel you close to me.
I like to go back in with some type of multi-surface, or in this case, a countertop spray, and just get all the water spots off. So I'm doing that to the top, the sink, and I will wipe down the cabinets as well. I'm also going to wipe down the outside of the toilet. It just gets rid of any streaks from those disinfecting wipes. And y'all, this stuff smells so good if you've never tried it before. So I also wanted to use it just to really smell up the bathroom. I am a big fan of glass cleaner on chrome, so I took care of the faucet. Now I'm just wiping down the top of this soap dispenser. I'm going around the bottom of this towel holder. I don't know that that's chrome, but it still shines it up. So I'm gonna get everything put back. I'm gonna empty the trash, take the toilet wine holder out, and then I'm gonna vacuum. As I'm finishing things up, I just wanted to thank you guys again so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend if you enjoyed it, because it really does help me out and I truly appreciate it. Stay tuned for my upcoming spring cleaning, because there will be a lot deeper cleaning and some longer videos coming up. I love you guys so much. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.